In this video, you'll learn how to set up Google Workspace email in just a few minutes, so you can give your business a professional online identity with custom email addresses. First, open your browser and go to workspace.google.com. Click on Get Started to begin the setup process. Google Workspace offers different plans, so choose the one that best fits your business size and needs. Next, fill in your business details. Enter your company name, the number of employees, and your country. Google will guide you through creating an admin account, which will manage all the email accounts in your organization. Now, connect your custom domain. If you already own one, enter it during setup. If you don't, you can purchase a new domain directly through Google Workspace, simplifying the process and keeping everything in one place. After that, verify your domain ownership. Google will provide a TXT record that you'll need to add to your domain's DNS settings. This step proves you own the domain and unlocks email functionality fully. Once verified, create email accounts for your team. Go to the Google Workspace Admin Console, click Users, and add new email addresses using your custom domain. Each user gets full access to Google Workspace tools. And that's it. Your Google Workspace email is now set up, and your team is ready to communicate professionally